And ball four, Segura's aboard. Let's turn it over to Chris Wheeler for the introduction of Bryce Harper.
Batting third, the designated hitter, number 3, Bryce Harper.
Standing ovation for Bryce Harper here this afternoon. I don't think it'll be his last one.
No.
Thanks to Mr. Spring Training for giving us a little kick there. Harper last year, 34 home runs, 100 runs batted in, and all eyes are on him in his first at-bat in a Phillies uniform. A Phillies Spring Training uniform. Swinging a miss, 0-1.
Going after that first pitch heater, just a bit tardy. Ball up and out of the zone.
Gabe Kapler said today that Bryce will play right field on Friday. And after that, he'll pretty much be in the same routine as everybody else is, with the hopes of getting between 40 and 50 at-bats before the end of spring. Or I should say plate appearances. Bryce has said he was going to take his time getting ready, but he said that he will be ready for opening day. Ooh, and Segura is picked off first. Somebody from the Blue Jays dugout yelled, "You got him," before he even tagged him.
Quick move. You see Segura just getting off the bag. I think he does get him. Now that's something that can't happen during the regular season.
No,
not with this man.
Not with your 3 and 4 hitters getting sent to bat.
No.
It was a nice move by Shoemaker, though, because he had Segura in between steps. 1 ball and 1 strike to Harper. Harper last year had 130 walks.
Just dawned on me, there's 4 guys in the outfield.
Yeah, so that's something that Charlie Montoya said that you might see this year from the Blue Jays, is putting 4 outfielders out there. He talked about it yesterday, and he kind of winked when he said, "Yeah, you might see it this year." I'm sure the Rays did it under Joe Madden. I don't think the Cubs have done it. Ball 4. It doesn't matter how many outfielders are out there. So a base runner for the Phillies with 2 men down as Harper draws the walk. Our Toyota